Hi everyone, I'm going to tell you about GIF, which stands for Graphics Interchange Format. Today I will tell you how you can convert GIF to PNG frames online for free without using any software. First of all, open the Google Chrome browser and here you can find the GIF file you want. As I am looking for photo frames, click on the image tab from here. Right click on the file you want to save it. Now go to Google Chrome search engine again and type online GIF to PNG converter and click on this link. Upload your file here. After uploading, click start button. When it is converted, click select all to select all frames and click download. After downloading, right click on the downloaded files and extract it. You will see that all the frames that were in the GIF have been saved in separate PNG frames. Now you can use these files in your project. To watch more such as informative videos, subscribe to the channel, like and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you soon.